All right, you guys, I wasn't kidding when I told you this was one of the coolest floor plans. All right, you guys, we have here Forest River's Luxury Cardinal, full body paint, ABS underbelly. It's got that front living feel without having to go up those extra set of stairs. We have that center area where you guys are gonna hang out. I'm excited to show you what's inside. All right, you guys, I wasn't kidding when I told you this was one of the coolest floor plans. So we do have one of the biggest ovens and range tops that they offer in the industry, as well as the widest and tallest door. You're able to sleep several people down here very comfortably, host a nice party if you like to camp together. We also have one of the biggest counter spaces that you're gonna be able to fit your coffee pot, whatever kind of stuff you like to bring with you, it's gonna fit on this counter. Solid surface as well, easy to clean up. One of my favorite bathrooms is right behind us here. We're gonna go take a peek at that next. All right, you guys, we've got that king bed up here. It's actually pretty comfortable. We also have that electric heater to keep you pretty cozy too. Behind me here, we have that big walk-in bathroom up front with the big window as well. So you're gonna have that privacy because it's a one-way window.